With ample seating for 11, Yamaha's flagship 242 Limited S reigns as the leader in the 24-foot class. The spacious bow offers a variety of comfortable seating options and the perfect vantage point of the day ahead. The thoughtfully designed cabin looks and feels like a high-end luxury sedan. Take the helm for a first-class driving experience. State-of-the-art gauges deliver a wealth of knowledge about the boat's performance, including real-time fuel management. Yamaha's innovative Cruise Assist sets the engine at a consistent RPM level to maintain preferred cruising speeds. No Wake mode holds RPM levels at optimum idling speeds through extended no-wake zones. The premium stereo system features Bluetooth capabilities for seamlessly linking your tunes. The forward-swept folding tower adds a distinctive styling touch and features integrated LED cockpit lighting. Convenient bow docking lights increase visibility as the sun begins to set. When it comes to performance, the 242 Limited S delivers a superior jet power experience. Yamaha's industry-standard internal propulsion system is driven by twin 1.8-liter high-output Yamaha Marine engines, engineered for reliability, fuel efficiency, and breathtaking performance. It's the premium power package that has become the benchmark for marine performance throughout the industry. Raising the bar even further on the competition is Yamaha's award-winning two-tier lounge. It is well appointed with upholstered back and seat rests, stainless steel cup holders, premium Polk speakers, and a freshwater shower. It's the perfect platform for relaxing afternoons. Discover what discerning boat owners already know. The most rewarding experience on the water is found aboard Yamaha's award-winning 242 Limited S. Available in maple red, black, or yacht blue.